Hello guys, in this video I'm going to build some budget PC and I will show you everything how I'm making it. Okay, let's go. Okay, for first I will open this motherboard, MCA Crate gaming motherboard Z317. You can check it. This is very powerful motherboard and I really like it. And now we have this used i7. I will show you it. It's really very powerful CPA. No, it's a little bit old, but it's working very good still. So, for first, we need to take motherboard and install CPA inside motherboard. I will put it like this, and we need some thermal pasts. It's good thermal past, you know. It's cheap but working very good. I will put thermal pastes here. This thermal paste installing for me is the best, really, because all time when I'm making like X, the CPA working very cool. And this one, this cooler, I will open it now. It's like really very good cooler. And this stick. But maybe much more better to do like this for first. Okay. We need to install these little sticks too. like this. And we have a RAM. It's very beautiful RGB RAMs. XPG DDR4 3200 MHz, like this ones. Check it. Okay, I will install the RAM after I will install in case the motherboard. Okay, now I'm going to install motherboard in the case. I already installed the power supply because they need too much time. But in next video I will show you everything how I'm making the new PC. This PC for the customer, and I'm just making it very fast. This one is the glass. Okay, now motherboard is already ready, and I will install this in the case. Okay. Okay, now I install the screws in the motherboard, and I will build anything that they need. Okay, first I will install I have this very good tool. It's like a lighter for the case, and they have a magnet here. I can do like this. Let me show you the case on inside. Okay. So now I'm going to install the RAM. I will do like this with the black fronts. Like this. Now we need to install this CPA adapter, but it's very short, and I will try to connect this one here. Done. This is this red one for the SATA cable. This PC was already little bit builded, but I just think to make a video for this one. cables for USB. I need to install USB here. And this is power cords. We'll do it like this. This is plus minus. Okay, this is done. Now our PC is ready, but we need SSD to install the Windows, okay? It's very beautiful case. I will install to this PC this Samsung SSD. It's very cheap and very powerful, really. I will install it from the back side, from here. I'm always putting SSD here with the coolers because all times they have a very good temperature coming from here. Maybe some people don't like it, but it's my style. Okay, now I will put this glass and let's check how it's working. And finally, I will turn on this new PC and let's look how it's look like this. And finally, I will turn on this PC. It's already built. It's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's really very beautiful. So guys, that's my first video in YouTube, and I will try to make good videos, and just like and subscribe to my channel please for my motivation, and I will just show you the next buildings what I will make in YouTube.